Good evening. This is arsenic toxicity, and especially in case of cattle is concerned. And the one of the important toxicity containing material is the arsenic, and apart from this mercury and other heavy metals, this is also one of the ancient toxic material. And arsenic toxicity is causing abdominal distress or liver or kidney, both damages are there, and we will discuss about the types of the arsenical toxicities. Means one is inorganic arsenicals and another one is the organic arsenicals. So this is the arsenical minerals, just like they are looking like this, and the inorganic arsenicals are the arsenic trioxide, means trivalent arsenic is known as arsenic trioxide, and arsenic pentoxide is As2 5 plus, and different inorganic arsenicals are sodium and potassium arsenate, lead and calcium arsenate, sodium and potassium arsenite. And sources of the poisoning is due to ingestion of contaminated forage, drinking up of the contaminated water, arsenical preparations as livestock dip, tiniacides like lead arsenate, and arsenical preparations as the bait to many rodents is also one of the poisons. Earlier it was used, and it used to cause toxicity in the non-host mammals. And arsenical preparation was maliciously used for the purposeful poisoning. The excess use of the wood preservatives, that's known as the Fowler solution, which is also potassium arsenate. And the factors affecting the toxicity are the species, especially cattle, horse, dog, cat, sheep are more prone to toxicity when compared to the fowl and pig, and these fowl and pig are rarely poisoned. And oxidation stage, arsenic trioxide is more toxic than arsenic pentoxide, and rate of expression is slow in case of debilitated, ill and poor body conditions. Hence these animals are more prone to the toxicity. And tolerance, continuous and constant exposures may confer some degree of tolerance to the metalloid. And absorption of this distribution and metabolism excretion, this or else we can say this toxicokinetic property of the arsenic is it's absorbed in liver and kidney and also stored. Arsenic pentoxide is converted to arsenic trioxide, and now it is converted yes arsenic has local corrosive effect on gut regardless of the route of administration. And absorption of the arsenic prefer tissues such as oxidative enzymes such as intestine, liver and kidneys. The most sensitive cells seem to be the capillary endothelial cells of many organs, the effect being relaxation of the capillaries, and an increase in the capillary permeability is also very common. And toxicodynamic means the mechanism of action of the arsenic in most of the species is the toxic dose or the lethal dose is 1 to 25 milligram per kg. The molecular action of arsenic is classified as primary and secondary, and in the primary molecular mechanism of the action is the lipoic acid is an essential cofactor for the enzymatic decarboxylation of the keto acids such as pyruvate, ketoglutarate and ketobutyrate. And arsenic inhibits the formation of acetyl, succinyl and propionyl coenzyme A. Other oxidative decarboxylation process that utilize as this acid, lipoic acid, are also inhibited. The major consequences of lipoic acid inhibition is slowing up of the glycolysis and TCA cycle. And here it's the arsenic molecule. It is designated as CH2SH, and between also SH sulfhydryl molecules are there, and this forms a complex with alpha lipoic acid, or it's also known as 6,8-dithiooctic acid. So this complex is formed, and this trivalent arsenic lipoic acid complex is inactive. So it binds with the alpha lipoic acid component and forms a trivalent arsenic lipoic acid, so that the lipoic acid is not available for the body. And the secondary mechanism of action is it may cause inactivation of sulfhydryl group of the oxidative enzymes and inactivation of sulfhydryl groups of the glutathione or other essential monothiols and diethiols. And pentavalent arsenic causes uncoupling of the oxidative phosphorylation by forming unstable arsenate esters instead of the phosphate esters that are required to provide high energy. And clinical signs, especially in the arsenic toxicity, is usually sometimes it's per-acute and simply animals are found dead. And in animals, those survived, we can find severe colic and sometimes collapses, sometimes paralysis, and sometimes staggering gait, and ultimately leading to death. In case of acute toxicities, there is profuse watery diarrhea. There is the profuse watery diarrhea, and it's also known as rice water diarrhea. And this you have to remember that the arsenic toxicity induced diarrhea is called as rice water diarrhea, and sometimes tinged with blood is characteristic along with severe colic and dehydration, sometimes weakness, depression, weak pulse, and cardiovascular collapse is seen in case of the arsenic toxicity. And the subacute toxicity clinical signs are there will be colic, anorexia, hematuria, and polyuria. Because of the damage to the kidney, there is polyuria, and sometimes the hematuria is also seen. And later there is anuria, means there is no urine production will be present, and the arsenic toxicity, there is dehydration, thirst, partial paralysis of the hind limbs, trembling, stupor, cold extremities, and subnormal temperature and convulsions will be seen. And in case of chronic toxicity, a wasting means the debilitating condition, poor body condition of the animal, there will be severe thirst, the temperature will be normal, and a weak and irregular pulse will be seen. And hemorrhagic dermatitis is also seen. And another thing is brick red mucous membrane. Brick red mucous membrane is also a characteristic of the cyanide poisoning because of the cyanohemoglobin. And post-mortem lesions in case of arsenic toxicity are, in case of per-acute toxicity, there are no significant lesions are seen, whereas in the inflammation and reddening up of the GI mucosa or local or diffuse, both inflammation may be present, followed by edema, and sometimes there is a rupture of blood vessels and necrosis of epithelial and subepithelial tissue cells. And necrosis may progress to proliferation of gastric or intestinal wall. The GI contents are often fluids, and they are having foul smelling and blood tinged shreds of epithelial tissues will be present in case of the diarrheic fluid. Because of this thing, it is also known as rice water diarrhea. And the diffuse inflammation of the liver, kidneys, and visceral organs will be seen. As this is one of the heavy metal, this is causing severe damage to the important vital organs like the liver, kidneys, and visceral organs. In case of liver, we can see the fatty degeneration and necrosis. In case of renal tubular, in kidneys, we can see renal tubular damage, especially in lungs, edematous and congestion is seen. In case of cutaneous exposure, the skin may exhibit necrosis and may be dry or leathery. Inflamed redness of the GI mucosa, in many times the GI mucosa is reddened and inflamed. And differential diagnosis has to be done with the lead poisoning, in which the similar type of the diarrhea is also present, but the clinical signs are a little bit different. And in case of organophosphorus toxicity, there is severe salivation will be present, and lot of convulsions are present, and many enteric diseases which are causing the diarrhea like Jones disease, bacterial diarrhea, viral diarrhea, and many other things are need to be differentially diagnosed from this disease. And the diagnosis of arsenic poisoning is done by the history, clinical signs, post-mortem lesions, etc. The chemical examination of arsenic, especially the tissues like liver and kidney or stomach contents, provides the confirmation. However, it is very difficult to state a diagnostic level of arsenic in animal tissues. Liver and kidneys of normal animals rarely contain more than 1 ppm of the arsenic as the wet weight basis, whereas in case of the tissues of an animal died due to the arsenic toxicity, it contains more than 3 ppm of the arsenic. And the determination of the arsenic is by examination of the stomach content of an animal suspected to be died due to arsenic, and it within the first 24 to 48 after the ingestion we can find that arsenic content in the stomach. Whereas in case of urine, as the concentration of high for several days in kidneys, arsenic concentration are more, and up to 14 days after the ingestion we can find the arsenic traces. And the qualitative test used for the detection of the arsenic is known as Reinsch test. And coming to the treatment, the number one is removal of arsenic from the stomach. So the MSA should be induced in capable species, means all the species will never do the omission, especially in case of cattle we cannot induce the omission, whereas in case of the dogs we can induce omission by many methods. And later it has to be administered by the activated charcoal, which is an adsorbing agent with a cathartic. This should be followed by oral administration of GI protectant in small animals 1 to 2 hours after charcoal. And the GI protectants such as kaolin and pectin, and also the fluid therapy is very much needed, because there is a lot of dehydration and water is lost from the body, and fluid therapy is very much indicated. In animals which are already showing the clinical signs, excessive fluid therapy or the blood transfusion is also required if it is needed. And some of the treatments which specific antidote is BAL, means British anti-lewisite, or else it is also known as dimercaprol, or it is also known as 2,3-dimercaptopropanol. It has to be administered at the dose rate of 4 to 5 milligram per kg, and it is to be administered as very deep intramuscular, because it is very painful, and it has to be administered thrice daily until complete recovery is there. And apart from this one, thioactic acid or lipoic acid can also be given with 50 milligram per kg as a 20% solution, and it has also need to be given TID and IM also. And the treatment regime goes like this: 6 times for 2 days, 4 times for 3rd days onwards, and these 2 times next 10 days till the animal completely recovers. So British anti-lewisite is soluble in 5% solution or 10% solution of benzyl benzoate in the arachis oil. So usually this is a very painful injection, and repeatedly it need to be administered to the animal. So how it is going to detoxify? The dimercaprol is going to have a complex with that of the arsenic lipoic acid complex. Then arsenic mercaptide is formed and alpha lipoic acid is made free, and the dose of the BAL is a very crucial, and overdosage may result in signs of the toxicity such as deperspiration, salivation, vomition, lameness, stiffness, tremors, convulsions, coma, and ultimately death. And water soluble analogues of British anti-lewisite are also available, and they are known as the 2,3-dimercaptopropane 1 sulfonate, or also is known as DMPS, at the rate of 100 milligram per kg daily for 10 to 12 days, and dimercaptosuccinic acid at the rate of 30 milligram per kg per day for 5 days can be administered. Whereas in case of large animals, 8 to 10 gram in the form of 10 to 20% solutions, slow IV, 20 to 30 gram orally in about 300 ml of the water. Whereas in case of small animals, or especially sheep and goat, 1/4 of the above dose is required. Especially in case of cattle, 1/40 of the dose of the cattle is required. D-penicillamine is also an effective chelator used at the rate of 10 to 50 milligram per kg orally 3 to 4 times a day for 3 to 4 days. And supportive treatment is very much required, and especially when cardiovascular collapse is imminent, kidney and liver function should also be, they have to be monitored. And organic arsenical toxicity is sometime also, it's also happening. And the name of the few aliphatic organic arsenicals are cacodylic acid and acetonursonic acid and monosodium methane arsenate, or it's also known as MSMA, and the disodium methane arsenate, it's also known as DSMA. And our aromatic arsenicals are thiacetarsomide and ursphenamide, and few of the pentavalent form of the arsenic arsenic is arsenalic acid and roxanone. And sources of the poisoning: excess use of the arsenic containing additives in pig or poultry diets, persistence of MSMA or DSMA in soil, and their tendency to accumulate in the plants is a potent for arsenic poisoning. In cows, large dosages of arsenalic acid may cause typical signs of the inorganic poisoning. Coming to the toxicokinetic of this organic arsenicals is benzene arsenic compounds are poorly absorbed from gastrointestinal tract and are thus excreted mainly in the feces. After absorption, the compounds are distributed throughout the body and are excreted in urine without being metabolized to a greater extent. The elimination parenterally injected compounds is complete in 24 to 48 hours, whereas it's for oral administration it takes several days. Toxicodynamic of these organic arsenicals is resulted from overdosage of these compounds, or benzene arsenic acid is very similar to that of vitamin B complex deficiency. However, it has not been conclusively proved and the mechanism remains still unclear. And the clinical signs in case of pigs is alert, normal appetite, reduction in weight gain, incoordination, posterior paralysis and quadriplegia. In the case of ruminant, blindness is also seen in case of arsenic acid poisoning. And this phenyl arsenic toxicosis is similar to inorganic arsenic poisoning, just like this rice water diarrhea, etc. will seen. And post-mortem lesions, in case of this organic arsenical poisoning is there is no gross lesions, demyelination and gliosis of peripheral nerves, optic tract and optic nerves is also seen. And the diagnosis is as well usual: history, clinical signs of the neurotoxic symptoms, post-mortem lesions and peripheral nerves are also lesions are also seen. Analysis: the liver, kidney, cortex and feed for arsenic may confirm the toxicity. And differential diagnosis: one has to do the salt poisoning, because in salt poisoning there is severe thirst is there. Here also some thirst is there. Vitamin B1 deficiency, that's also possible. And the cattle, insecticide poisoning, pseudorabies, lead poisoning, insecticide poisoning and also infectious bovine diarrhea need to be differentiated from that of the organic arsenic toxicity. Treatment and preventive measures are: there is no specific treatment or antidote, especially to this thing. And whereas in case of neurotoxic toxicity clinical signs, reversible if offending feed is withdrawn within 2 to 3 days of onset of ataxia. Once paralysis or the paresis occurs, the nerve damage is irreversible, but normal appetite and weight gain is good if competition for food is eliminated. Recovery is generally doubtful when exposure is for long duration and onset of intoxication is slow. That's about the arsenic toxicity and thank you very much for patient hearing.